say yemo akwaba emo achemra Adom TV Badwam dwumade no yahase dada nwom to aba ma ni tekote godin kwanshen so room de aduso no ye kase fa chese ne atwentwen na ase kakra na ne etodwo mu bi no franka tuni de mandisi amanyoko John Dramani Mahama se kendini pa ya obebu manfie nan eyesen de obebu mfie nwotwe nanso no kura bia ni mo ne ahokere ehon sam no ye de bebro ne nsembi mididi afia amankwa tamaklo ko Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 or YouTube Adom TV 2 afeje brenity said and 70 mu no etie Franka tuni de mandisi amanyoko John Dramani Mahama de to Ghana fo nyina nim said ye ne MPP amanyoko no eka try me no boa osema munyine ni fisa sa na mampani na adodan kwa kufu ado kan ene de ne ede ababe wie mu wenne wo makopa o won campaign ho ntoma wotamale no den semi etuda.
Years ago somebody came and said try me Monso Menhwe. The result is what we are seeing today. Today, another person has come, and he's also saying, try me. And he's saying the same things the one who has helped to put us in this ditch was saying 8 years ago. And what they say is that, if after 4 years I don't do well, change me.
Sanso dia tumanfo nyina enimu se ma wonum ento aba MPP amanyoko ni sanse ekobasa efie nan edi animu no na manfo ama na hye agukwa.
The youth of this country don't have 4 years to waste. The youth of this country are in a hurry to create the opportunities that will make them live a dignified life. They're not going to try somebody and after 4 years decide whether you should continue. The youth of this country want an experienced hand. They want a safe pair of hands. They want a hand that they have seen do it before, to come back and take this country and rescue us from the mess in which we have been dumped by the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. It is not going to be easy. The more I look at the figures, the more I look at our situation, it is even worse than what this government is telling us.
Jumadi no ase so wasadi tuja chire mu se won kase na memuo na etwa mu no na ahyase ne na ye de da bi nanso waso de toto enei MPP de no eho de a na yeso ya de pa enu nsuni.
Out of government for almost 8 years now. I did my best. I wouldn't say things were perfect, but at least we're making progress. What I can promise you is that I will be truthful to you. I will never tell you lies. I will never tell you things that I can't do. The problem with this country is that our policies are based on the short cycle of winning elections every 4 years. And we are not creating the foundation for this economy to take off.
And this amanyoko no agidi ye pa se raso se omen wo yensesan ye ewo mu senti John Dramani Mahama edi atuja se so nya kwanya ba bedi man so enfie nan ye di animu no enya de sete bia oman no ewo mu no de besie manfo.
And so we're not making you promises. I'm promising you that I'll work hard day and night to make sure that we reset the fortunes of this country. 4 years of a good leader will make more impact than 8 years of a dishonest leader. It's not about how long you serve. It is about how well you serve. It's not about 8 years or 4 years.
Hi. Ewa Santia Chim North mensini mo Madam Mrs. Matilda Jamra or de to abine and crankra one and one some will be any more strepa one so cool ne tibia mo no enye to woman boa one won siesie ne ye one Adom kase edin komwe.
I'm in penny for a man. Na me de aseda kase ama all students. En kan ne yura Samson J. fefe in fact ebro ya adwene ne ye nti ase so nti ya kasa ye da wo mo ase pa na ye hwe so se aka enye afinko a nanka ebe koso se de ebe ya ebe motivate mofra the challenges dey di kind pa ye school bus school kakra ke ye ni school bus se ye ko fa aduane se mofra yi ko outing ana bibia ye ni bus kra ye dey ko enti ye sre aban ene ankrankra bia umbetimi aboa ye all students so say mumra meboa ye say umbetimi afford ya mummoa ye na yentimi nya basa ye de be convey mofra no akọ social gatherings mi ade ebiem science lab no suri na enunu enti anu de metoto masere all students so madaroma all students ya dia pa in fact bi omo ye no promise so wo hwedan kakra ke bia ye si me ya ye mfam a wo musi mai
Samson Ejei eye penyini a woda Agogo State College All Students Association ano wani amani boni nkomotwetwe mu ene wo kire mu se wono ma bie wono ma pono ato ho no mo se obedu obetumi bia se be ya obetumi aboa school no enkan kro
school ni ye dia enti se normally bi wo na ye betimi aboa e wo se yetimi ye na ye wie ye be koso a ye tuo kakra me de be ma enuanom a enam Agogo State eso omo anya akwantu Agogo State a produce prominent people your MC your HR director ye chese akasifo into Agogo State lawyers Agogo State aye bia ma ye nyina enti adofo a omo wo amanone omo e wo Ghana omo nte de association no ye all student ye sese
asia na hana bema kwan na no pay ye DSC yeda wasepa omre no adaje a bribia no wode ma ye radin fan komra somdwem ne mum kwaso na ne yentena fisa fei na de de bonkrata no de ba no pay any online stories no ye de ka ho ye nche sima bembi no ye ntwe ho mra no ye ba ye betwaso